are going to go into the bunny barn and chicken barn, and we're going to go check out some chickens and some rabbits and see their cute personalities. I am working on cleaning a whole bunch of hutches and coops and using all that soil and all the organic matter for the garden beds. So come along. Hey chickies, hey rabbits. Yep. I don't know how big I can get this right now. Well, close enough. All right. At least it's right outside the barn. Hey, scoot back. There's dogs on that side. Hey chickers. Hey chickers. Hey chickers. Where's my chickers? What's up, dudes? What's up? Want to see the pretty one that nobody will let play? Frizzle. Frizzy Frizz. Oh, Frizzy Frizzle. Come on, Frizzy. Too fancy for your own pants. So this is what I mean. See this ground? See if you can see it. Wood chips. It's a whole bunch of stuff that I'm putting in. Organic material that I'm going to go fill those pots with. And this is just the ground that my chickens and my rabbits, when it starts warming up. I don't like it when they have to be in the hutches. But I might let them out to play a little bit. We're going to let him out to play. Come here, baby. Hopefully I don't regret this. Come here. Do you want to jump down? You want to get out? Want to go play? It's been forever. Come on. This is Devil. Want to see why? Devil, show him. Show him your eyes. Oh, yeah. Hello, Devil. We've had you so long. He's our only boy. So, you know, we let him out. We're going to have some babies. He could probably get to that one. He can't get to that one. Okay, tell us about it. Hey, Raptor, come here. Raptor. So, this bunny barn area needs some help, like everything else. I'm just storing some bedding in that one. This is where they get to sleep. I think it's cute. We got it for free on KSL. So my older son and my husband, they did that. And look what she decided on her own. They decided they like to nest in there. So that's where they nest. Should we invade her privacy? We shall. You're okay. Go lay. No? You won't do it while I'm here? How mean of me. Is there already somebody in the nest box? They decided that's their nest box. And I tried to barricade it and they said, nope, we like it up here. So I'll leave you alone. Maybe you can, oh. While she's doing her thing. Devil, come on, it's been a long time. You can come dig. Come on, baby. I recently cleaned out his hutch. Hey, Ginger Snap, what are you doing? Oh, here he goes. Come on, Devil. Come on, Devil. Should I let the lower one out? Let's open this. You be nice, Cookie. You be nice. Here, we'll open this one. Then you feel a little more secure. All the hutches we get for free. I'm not very good at doing DIY. That's not your food. Well, that didn't work. I don't want them fighting. Come out, Cookie. 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 Cookie, get out. Cookie, this is not your food. Get out. Get out. All right. Rethink. Rethink my little homestead here. Okay. That might work. What you thinking, Cookie? Watch, it's still going to go in there. Yeah? What do you think? What do you think? Alright, I just wanted to show you my barn. It needs some help. So I'm going to show you the messiest part. Here we go. This is what I was using for introducing little chicks. So it's kind of a tractor run. And it's already in the big barn. We have a door from, a wall from there. Go slowly all the way to there. And those pain in the butt chickens, they found Devil's food. Hey, get out. Cookie. Devil could care less. Devil's like, I'm not coming out. Those crazy chickens. All right, let's rethink this. Come on, come out. Dark Eye. Cookie, get out. Cookie, get out. Come on, Cooks. Come on, Cooks. Come on, get out. Cookie, get out. A new place to explore, huh? Get out. Get out. Cookie, come on, out. Gosh. Come on, Cookie, get out. Get out. Get out. Good Cooks. All right. We'll do it a different time, Devil. Sorry, bud. Sorry, bud. Oh. You guys thought that was water? I just dumped some ice out of it. Here's your water. Over here. Come on. There's your water. You thirsty? Go get water. What was I saying? Oh, let's get back over here. So these I'm going to put... I'm so distracted by chickens. Ginger Snap, tell us all about life. Don't freak out. Tell us all about life. Hey, hey, tell us all about life. We thought you were a boy, then you ended up being a girl, but we don't think you're laying yet. Isn't she a pretty color? Ginger Snap. Hey, Ginger Snap. It's just a box. It's just a box. Should we go see if she laid? Oh, are you going to lay in there, young lady? Am I invading all your privacy? I'm sorry. Not really. You going to lay for me? Go lay. Not with you watching, Mama. Not with you watching. All right, I'm sorry. Oh, let me leave you alone. All right, let's get back. Did you think she ever... Oh, so pretty. Oh, so pretty. I didn't know you were laying. Raptor, is this your first time? I keep getting about 3 eggs a day, but I thought it was my big hens that were laying. But we're getting up to 40s. Maybe I'll have all 6. Well, only 5, because my tiny little one is definitely not old enough. All right, leave you alone. All right, easily distracted. So this is the coop. That's where they sleep. And they love to take their little baths in here. I have several spots underneath places where they can play. This is the fancy Frizzle, and everybody picks on her. They're so mean. But she's so pretty, wouldn't you? Hey, pretty girl. Hey, pretty girl. And she's so flighty. She's afraid of everything. Cookie, we know you're awesome. Be good. Cookie, Ginger Snap. All right, back to this. So I'm going to start digging all this out. So I just dig up the layers. Did you lay an egg? Oh, Raptor! Did you lay an egg? I didn't hear an egg. I didn't hear your dance or your cackle. Let's go look. Did she lay an egg? No. I think that she's preparing to lay her first one. So this stuff isn't frozen, but many things around the barn are frozen. This is my barn in the city. You telling me to leave you alone so you can go lay an egg? Okay. So another thing I do is I clean out these hutches. And I cleaned it out a couple days ago, but look at it. Hello, girl. You're okay. Tell the camera. Tell the camera. Yeah, tell the camera. Tell them all about it. Curious little one. Okay, then I clean out this and use this homemade fertilizer. Thanks, Amber. Raptor. Raptor. Is everything okay? Is everything okay? Yeah? Relax, I'm just petting you. I know, it's hard being a chicken. Okay. We had a conversation. Now I'm going to clean out more of this hutch. I cleaned out that hutch underneath. And Raptor is so curious, wants to know what in the world we're doing. Now we're going to take some of this fresh stuff and put it down there. I just keep it in here to keep it dry. And I'm not using this hutch right now. Do this with one hand. Here we go. And throw it in there. And I'll do that a couple times, and now she has a fresh layer of bedding. And it sure benefits me. Look at all the chickens. What's this about? Why can't we have access to this? It's not food. It's not food. It's not food. Okay, I'm gonna leave the chickens alone so they can lay, and let's go plant some more everything. Loudy, loudy. Thank you, chicken and rabbits and woodchips. We're gonna take this, put it in our over here to take it to where we need. I left my chickens alone and now they're laying their eggs. Can you hear their cackles? They're so cute. This outside run is what they get to use more in the summer and the fall, and spring, summer, and fall they get to use this outside area. Oh, they stopped. That's so cute. It's getting cold. I want to go see how many eggs we got, and then I'll show you how the chickens start to roost and go to sleep. So it's almost 6 o'clock. I can't believe it's still light though. It's in February. Let's go check out the chickens. No chickens, they're all sleeping. Should we go see if they've already come into their room? Hi babies. Oh, you guys are so pretty. Oh, we got one egg. I gotta go grab that egg. Ginger Snap, Raptor, Cookie, Dark Eye, Rockstar, and Pretty Baby. You make her sleep down here? Mean. Good night, guys. I got one egg from this nesting box. I'm not sure if it's Raptor. She seemed to be wanting to do that though. Is this her first egg? I can't tell. And I got another egg over here. So 2 eggs today. They're kind of laying sporadic because it's so cold out here. And then what I do is I close up this and they get to go to bed.